So the first step is the anti-aging facial polish. So that's this one here. So you'll wet your face.
Where did you get this string?
And then you'll put a little bit on your fingertips. This is about how much you would use, and maybe just show the camera like up close. Yeah, maybe a little higher. Good. There you go. Perfect. And you'll rub that together. And circular motions. It's safe for eyes. Takes off makeup. And you can really, if you smell, you can really start to smell all the botanicals that are in that polish. And again, so after a sauna session, your pores are open, you're primed. You go ahead and rinse with water. You got your toxins kind of coming out in your sweat, so this is a really lovely sort of post sauna application. Towel. Wonderful. And the next step is the vitamin C, the anti-aging vitamin C mist. So this is a real gentle mist, and again, it's really great to do post sauna. Would you like to do it, or would you want me to do it? Okay, so I usually do 2 sprays. Go ahead and close your eyes. 1, 2. And you can really smell.
That smells so good.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And so typically I'll pat that in and I'll let it dry for a moment or 2. And then the last step will be the Botanical Peptide Repair Cream. So that's the 3rd step. And this you can choose to do after the sauna or not. So if you feel like you're a little too sweaty, then you can do it at home. But maybe also show the camera how much I put on your fingers. Yeah, there you go. So 1 pump can do the whole face. And then if you want to do your dégagé area, you can do 1 more pump. So if women want to kind of work on that.
It smells really good too. It's like it looks so glowy.
Yeah, and well, it absorbs really, really nicely. So I don't know if you can feel how it's not, you're not oily. It's really absorbing into your skin and sitting well. I almost feel like it's one of we used to use sort of setters before you put on makeup, and it reminds me of that because I feel like it sets my face really lovely before I put.
That's a good comparison. Yeah.
Is that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It's like almost like the mattifying face.
That's right.
Setter is kind of what it feels like. Yeah.
And I personally don't use makeup, but I use SPF. So I use a lightweight SPF, and it just kind of just folds on.
Yeah.
It's so lightweight. You barely feel it on there.
Good.
It's really nice.
Good.